Next side also Kazakh. All Kazakh.
Which way is your place? Which way is your place? You take
To this side more. Yeah. I think it was here. Almaty. Almaty.
okay, we should have gone there then. And then we should have gone this way. And then
No
drop.
problem. There's always a taxi.
You know, I took the taxi yesterday to go to the supermarket, and it was 2K, 2.5, and I thought, oh, you pay 2.5 to come from Bishkek here.
From Bishkek to where actually?
To Almaty. It was 5K for 3 hours, but for me, I paid 2.5 to go like 10 minutes walk.
Yeah. I couldn't still believe that how much I paid there that time. It was so bargain, and I was doing lots of bargaining to lower the price. It wasn't actually worth it because I didn't realize how much it is.
But yeah, I paid 2.5 just to go 15 minutes walk. Okay, it was in the morning, so maybe they didn't have many cars.
And also at the border, lots of taxis are waiting, and it's already night. Maybe not many people are coming anymore, so they had to find and go.
Because otherwise he goes empty.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take this
And
one.
he changed a bit, like after he saw that I have some order 2,500 tenge. He said no, but it also, he has option. Thanks. You want one?